Hello, friends, welcome to our channel Unbox World. In this channel, we will unbox the amazing and interesting facts of the world. You must have seen and heard about many types of racing cars. But have you ever seen an electric flying racing car? Today I will tell you about the world's first flying electric racing car. It is an Airspeeder Alauda Mk3 developed by Airspeeder company, and its headquarters is located in London, England. The first flying test of this car was taken on the day of June 2021 in southern Australia, which was successful. It is VTOL car, which means it can do vertical takeoff and landing. Can reach 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds, and it has 150 km/h. Also, it can turn faster than a normal helicopter. The car can fly at a height of 500 meters above the ground. The weight of the car is 130 kilograms, and it can carry more than 80 kilograms. The car body is made from carbon fiber, which is very strong and light in weight. It has a removable battery, as you must have seen how when the race car arrives at the station, the workers are changing tires, fuel, etc. Similarly, the battery has to be changed in it, which changes in just 15 to 20 seconds, and it can fly for 10 to 15 minutes on a single charge. I hope you like this information. For everyday updates, follow and subscribe to us.